Today we're storing our valuables away behind lock and key with the help of our new magnetic storage locker with glass windows. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get set up quickly. Open up your box and lay out all your parts so you can see what you have. I needed a little extra space, so I brought it outside to assemble. First, grab your screws and nuts and lay out your back pieces side by side. Then use the nuts and screws to fasten the two sides together. Take your sidewall and slide it onto the side of the back pieces and screw that into place. Then do the same for the other side. Grab your end piece and slide it in between the bottom side of the two sidewalls to hold those two together. After that's in place, screw it together to lock that side down. Then take your bottom shelf and slide that into place. Then tighten it from the back side to hold it down. Find your top bar and slide that in between the top part of the sidewalls to hold that side in place. Screw that down and then slide on the top plate. And then screw that down as well, so it won't go anywhere. And then it's time for the bottom feet. Put those on the ends of both sides and screw them into place. Next, screw in the adjustable feet and make it level. Now your storage shelf frame should be assembled and you can set it upright. Find the area you want to put it and anchor it into the wall. When it's level and secure, you're ready to install the shelves. Grab the little metal brackets and insert them into the grooves at equal heights on all sides. Put on your shelf, then repeat these steps for the remaining shelves. After all your shelves are in, grab your little pins and put them on the bottom of the frame to give your doors a spot to connect to. And insert the pin into the bottom of the door frame. Then take your top pin and adjust it until it locks into place in the top of the cabinet. Put in your magnetic bumper guards, and then repeat these steps for the other door. Now your storage shelf is fully built and ready to go. All that's left to do is collect your valuables and organize them however you want. As you can see, it comes complete with a lock and key, so you can add some extra security to whatever is behind these doors. I grabbed all my valuables, my personal items, and anything else I wanted to keep safe, and loaded it up into the locker. I found a place for everything, and was able to store so much of my stuff. The magnetic doors keep your stuff safe, even without locking it. And not only is it safe behind closed doors, but I can see everything that's behind the glass windows. It's an art piece as much as it is convenient. I even went as far as to put some magnetic lights in there to light up my favorite shelves. Since it has magnetic walls, you have lots of options for decorating and giving it your own personal touch. Now all my things are safe, and my office is more organized than ever. Things are less cluttered, and I know where everything is when I need it. So if you want to organize your belongings in a stylish way too, this storage locker might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go marvel over my cool new locker. See ya!